Hi, welcome back. Today we're gonna modify this watch. As always, well, the last few times at least, another AE-1200. And this time I need something not very screaming. Let's say screaming, yeah. Just something similar to this one, but not green. Just an office watch, something, let's say business casual. So let's take off the straps first. Easy to do. Well, taking them off is easy to do. Putting them back in is always a little struggle for me. Okay, I've got some new watch straps. These are plain black. I like them, silicone things. Okay. And I want to take off some of these writings down here. The red one at the bottom, the 10-year warranty, battery. Then this water resistant mark and the 5 alarms, which always looks like alarms. Maybe the pusher markings, don't know yet. We'll see. So to start, we'll take off the screws. Then I'll get rid of this gasket. Put it over here for now. And somehow we need to get out the timepiece itself. Don't know. It's always something to try out for me. That could be it. Yeah, that's it. And we also need to get rid of this text over here. Okay, let's start with this one. And I've got some Q-tips over here. And my glue remover. Small cap. Well, always forget to shake this thing. That should be enough. Don't need much. Okay. For the beginning, I will soak this in for a couple of minutes. Just helps a little bit. Put this over here. And same on this. Don't have too much time. Don't want to wait too long. Okay, that should be good now. Okay, let's start with the red one. This could take a couple of minutes, so I guess I'll see you when I'm done. So, red 10-year batteries text is gone. Now this one will be a little bit tricky. I don't want to remove the dial over here. So I need to be very careful. Well, very careful. Okay. Sorry for not seeing properly. There's not much space down here. Now, this doesn't look too bad. It came off quite nicely over here and up here. Nothing red anywhere here. And I did not take off any of the dial. I still don't know if I want to take off these letterings, but I guess I can leave them. I do not know why this one is not at the end. Well, okay. Next step, cleaning up this one. Done with these, looking good. No more text left on this part. And I'll stick to this. This is good. This is nice. Yeah. Oh, I've got the stuff on my fingers. Not so good. Clean it up later. Okay, now let's rebuild this. Because there's... Wait. Not putting any no filters in. Okay, let's put that back in. Is that good? Of course it fell out. No. That's the right way. Actually, it doesn't really matter. Don't think it has a direction. Just need to line up this one. Okay. Now, these flaps thingies are usually in the way of the pushers. So make sure to push them aside. Well, that was easy. Okay, light came on. And now, look at this. Wouldn't call it stealthy, but it's looking good. Yeah, that's it. That's going to be it. Now, top side up here. And this is going to be... Oh, no. Ha! We almost forgot the O-ring. Ah, yeah. The O-ring has a direction. There's a small notch on top of it. Well, is it a notch? Well, that's a notch over here. Okay. Now this O-ring is nicely looped. Looks a little bit gross, but well, basically silicone Vaseline stuff, something like that. Now you need to get it into this groove somehow. Looks good. Yeah, that's good. So top side up again. Okay, let's check if it's the right direction. It is. And now the screws. Too many tools again. Don't screw them in all the way. You want to make sure the O-ring doesn't stick out or get pressured unevenly. Otherwise, it's not going to be any water resistant anymore. I don't even know if this is still 100 meters water resistant or waterproof, but I guess so. Okay, now screw them in, not too much. Check around for the gasket. No, that's good. After that, screw it in a cross pattern like you would, well, put in the bolts in a wheel. So you make sure it's evenly pressured. That's good. Now look at this. Next step, watch band. Well, strap actually. As I said, I've got this made of silicone. It's, well, totally flat, squared off. It's got some structure on the inside. I guess that's for sweating or not so much sweating. And it's really black. Does that work? It's got a little blue tint to it. It doesn't matter. Okay, now the one side with the buckle goes on the top. And let's try this. Oh, forgot something important. This won't fit. For this I've got these adapters. They fit in here. And the strap will fit up here. You can find those on eBay. Maybe even AliExpress. I didn't look there. They're not too cheap. Need to buy more of them so they get cheaper. So that was easy. It's not that easy for me. Okay, next side. Yeah, let's see. No. Getting better at this. Okay, we don't need these spring bars because the strap has its own quick release spring bars. Okay, and as I said, the one with the buckle on it goes onto the top. Let's try this. Maybe I won't need the toolbar. Spring toolbar thingy. No, that did not work. These are always such a tight fit. And I'm clumsy. Got no hand-eye finger coordination. I can see it in here, but it doesn't want to move out. Oh, okay. Sometimes it just needs a little bit of help. And the bottom side. Same here. Ooh, yeah. Okay, this one was easy too. Now look at this. Looks good. Looks good. Really good. Well, let's try it on. That's the other one. This has a little bit of a bluish tint. This doesn't. So this matches better to the black of the case. But it's not too bad. Let's try it. Okay. Oh, looking good. Put this aside. Yeah. That's definitely business casual. That's good. Nice. Like it. You see things on here. That's good. A dial is there. That's always hard to get off because of the angle. You see it's a Casio buttons. Lights working. Well, this looks good too. Is that plastic? Nah, I think it's metal. Don't know. Feels like plastic. Well, good. Now, look at this. That's actually all. I hope you had fun. And see you next time.